ये है मारुति की नई अर्टिगा। There are some changes in looks, mechanicals में भी थोड़े बहुत changes किए गए हैं. There's a new variant added and some new features too. Is it worth considering? Is it value for your money? We'll find out. Ertiga facelift में काफ़ी कम changes हैं, but these are quite noticeable. अगर आप front grille को देखोगे, it gets a lot of chrome on it, which makes it look premium as per the company. आप front bumper भी देखोगे, it gets this chrome eyebrow on the fog lamp. At the rear, there's a chrome lip. So basically जो changes किए गए हैं, Maruti has added a lot more chrome to it. अगर आप side profile देखोगे, it is plain Jane the way it was. Ertiga facelift में majorly changes अंदर किए गए हैं. अब एक नया वेरिएंट ऐड किया गया है, which is the new top of the line Z Plus. पेट्रोल इंजन पे it is called ZXi Plus और डीजल it's called ZDi Plus. अब ये नए वेरिएंट में आपको फीचर्स मिलते हैं जैसे कीलेस एंट्री, पुश स्टार्ट एंड स्टॉप, एक टच स्क्रीन सिस्टम दिया गया है which has navigation, reverse parking camera and Bluetooth connectivity. These features were missing on the Ertiga for a while and now Maruti has made sure these have been added. अगर हम बात करें of practicality of the Ertiga, it just is perfect for a 7-seater. पहली बात ये ज़्यादा लंबी नहीं है. Despite of this, it can seat 7 people in comfort. Second row के seats are adjustable and they can slide front and back. At the same time, they even have a recline, which makes it comfortable for the second row passengers. इसमें rear AC vents भी दिए गए हैं, which is good enough to cool the second and third row. Now, for this 7-seater, the boot is a bit small. अगर आपके 7 passengers बैठे हैं, it is difficult to put in a lot of luggage at the back. Ertiga में 2 इंजन आते हैं, एक है 1.4 लीटर पेट्रोल और दूसरा है 1.3 लीटर डीजल. अब पेट्रोल इंजन में कुछ चेंजेस नहीं किए गए हैं एंड इट कम्स विद अ 5-स्पीड मैनुअल एंड 4-स्पीड ऑटोमेटिक. जो डीजल है उसमें चेंजेस किए गए हैं. इट गेट्स अ न्यू सिस्टम कॉल्ड एज SHVS. ये SHVS टेक्नोलॉजी इज अ स्टार्ट स्टॉप टेक्नोलॉजी. अगर आप सिग्नल पे खड़े हैं एंड यू पुट योर कार इन न्यूट्रल, इट स्विचेस ऑफ द इंजन which helps you to save fuel. ये वही इंजन है which actually comes even on the sea as HSVS. This engine is more fuel efficient and अगर आपको ये use नहीं करना है, it's extremely hot, there is a button on the right hand side below the steering wheel which actually switches off the system. बात की जाए drivability of both the engines, both are pretty good and easy to use in city and even on the highway. मगर that punch that you need to overtake goes missing on both petrol and the diesel. This is more of a comfortable cruiser. Ertiga facelift के changes are quite evident and the new variant is definitely a good add-on, especially उन लोगों के लिए जिन्हें extra features की ज़रूरत है. However, if you are looking for an Ertiga in the market, the best variant is the Z variant. आपको extra features like a touchscreen system, push start, reverse parking camera are coming at more than 80,000 rupees on road, which is definitely expensive. We'll recommend you to buy the Z variant of the Ertiga, which is a perfect fit.